Hey, what's up, traders? So we're running a contest every single month. We pick one winner who comments, likes, and to subscribe to my channel and comments on every video this month. We randomly pick a drawing, and hopefully it's you. Just be sure you like, comment, and are subscribed to this channel, and you'll get free access to our full training academy and everything it is have to offer. Good luck, peace, and enjoy the next video. Hey, what's up, everybody? So it is July the 7th, 2020, the craziest year ever. But we had a great day of trading today. So I hope the people out there that are in the group enjoyed it. And I actually released a podcast episode today. So we talked more about current events, even though that was last week. So, but before we get into that, let's take a look at the markets. Let's go straight to it because there's more I want to look at. And the big news today, more than anything, I would say, is the what I would say call the pound breaking out. So let's pull up my screen here. And so here we are, and we're looking at GBPUSD. And so I was trading it this morning. You know, I from my phone actually. Setting it up, and interestingly enough, on my iPad, this same trend line that we were at, and this is a pretty big deal. So if you go back in time and you go back to this massive double top on your daily time frame. So if you see this double top that happened here in 2017, so in between December 2017 to 2018, the market topped out here, and then we were in a massive downturn, right? Okay, so there's that. That happened. And then we broke back above what was this trend line, and you see how we kind of worked our way back above it as more or less a false breakout. So if you do go through my training, one of my mantras is a false breakout. False breakout would lead to a breakdown, and you can see that is like exactly textbook what happened here, right? So we had and so this was, of course, the coronavirus, the massive sell-off, and then all the money going flush back into the dollar. So what the big deal is now, though, you can see is we're back at this fractal line. So here's that same line that goes from the top of this double top here has reconnected. And so I think this is, let me put it this way, if we can break through and break back above 21.2550, so that would probably have us about, you know, I mean, the pound moves very fast. Like when it does get on a rip and a uptrend or downtrend, or for sure it tends to go very, very fast. And so that is exactly what happened today. Now we can look at the 4 hour. This is the blue line. This is that the 2550 line. This is where we're at now. And so this is what I was looking at today, and I honestly wasn't even paying much attention at all to that line on the daily time frame as I was trading it more or less on this 4 hour time frame. I actually discovered that, or more or less put the puzzle pieces together halfway through the trading day. So I was looking at this breakout here, and you know, we've almost where did we enter it? So we were well into this breakout, and we broke back above where we are here. So this would be a good place to use a supply and demand zone box that I like to use. So those work out really well when marking these areas, right? So now what we have is a nice area of support that we're sitting on top of here. So hopefully I painted that picture clearly enough for you so you can see now where I zoom out. Here we are here's the support line. We've broken above it. And now if we can remain above here and then push higher, this is going to be a really big deal. So this, and now what we essentially were doing today, and what I was doing today was now moving across the board, looking at pound pairs. So when I discover some sort of action in the market or a move, then my immediate next thought tends to be, okay, well, what else is going on in that, like, in that arena, right? So Euro pound would have been a good play, but today I was really concentrating on pound Aussie here, which I've been talking about and looking at, and we've been trading it in the VIP group for weeks now. And this is a very big deal. I'm actually very excited about it because you can see we have a double bottom here, 1, 2 bottoms, and remember, just like I said, if once we have a false break down or false breakout, that would typically be followed by, in this case, a breakout, right? So here we are breaking out higher, and we're back into this just massive channel. Like if we go to the daily time frame, it's well over 1,000 pips. So to make a long story or a long video short, my goal here is to be buying dips on either pound Aussie and alternating back and forth between pound Aussie or pound New Zealand. And that was more or less the this was the game plan for the day. So you can see here, pound Kiwi, same kind of breakout structure. And I believe it was Andre from the group. It was him from the group that said, I wonder what pound New Zealand is doing. And then I called that signal. So it is actually worked out very nicely. And we caught a lot of pips from that. So we will be looking at the pound over the rest of the week. And so if you want in on that action, click the links below. I think my computer is about to die, and I'm gonna go get some dinner. So hope you're staying safe out there, and thanks for watching. Appreciate you, and to everybody in the VIP group, thanks for tuning in. See ya in the chat room. Peace.